Why use a screencast? You can use it to record procedures and answer common questions. You can give students audio-visual feedback, which is the next best thing to a one-to-one conversation. You can record lessons that students can access anytime or anywhere. You can make a video to help your substitute teacher if you have to miss class. These ideas are from TechSmith. Other reasons to use a screencast, and these ideas are from Screencast-O-Matic. You can record a flipped or blended learning lesson. You can capture your lecture. You can make video announcements to your students. You can do teacher-to-student mentorship using screencasting. And you can also create student assignments. Another one that they don't mention is students can display their learning using a screencast.